So, hello guys, good evening. So, I hope you guys have been doing great. Concerning about the assignment, okay, so let me just quickly brush it through. I noticed that majority has problem with this, have problem with this question. The one with addition, one in five places, one, two, three, four, five, then zero, one, one. And I also have one in five places, one, two, three, four, five, with zero, one. There's six ones. So okay, let me reduce this. And also we have um 1 1 0 1 1 1. And finally with this. So we want to sum this up. Everything they are all in base 2. Remember that I said if you have 1 plus 1, that's how it's 10. Take note, if you have 1 plus 1 plus 1, the result is 10 plus 1, that is 11. So when you now have 11 plus 1, if you're adding 1 to this one, the result should give you 20. Please take note. Plus another one that is 20. So don't let me confuse you. So let's just do it like this. 1 in 4 places, that will be 20. Okay? 20. Then I said 0, we made that 2. That's what I actually said. And also 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. Then that will just be 10 plus 1, 11. 11 plus 1, 20. 20 plus 1, 21. That's the logic. 21 plus 1, 30. Next one, 31. Next one, 40, 41, 50, 50, like that. So I'm very sure that the highest they could give you is 40. You end at 40 or 41. So now look at this. You have 1, 1, 1, 1, 1 in 4 places. Now let's add 1 plus 1, 10 plus 1. In your mind, you don't have to look at this. Just understand the pattern. So now here I have 1 plus 1, 10 plus 1, 11 plus 1, 20 plus 1, 21. So you write 1, you made that 2. So forget about these two for now. Let's try this. 1 plus 1, 10 plus 1, 11 plus 1, 20 plus 1, 21. Then 21 is there. Now in your own mind, this remainder that you have here represents 1 plus 1. So just say 21 plus 1, 30 plus 1, 31. Do you understand now? That will be 1 remainder 3. So just forget about this. Leave this remainder for now. Let's add all this together. 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1, that is 10. Plus 1, that is 11. Plus 1, that is 20. Write 20 somewhere. And you're getting that this 3 here represents 1 plus 1 plus 1. That's the logic. That will be 20 plus 1, 21, plus 1, 30, plus 1, 31. 1 remainder 3 again. So you go ahead again. 1 plus 1, 10. 10 plus 1, that is 11. Plus 1, 20. 20 plus 3, with what I just did, that is still 31. Abi 20, 21, 30, 31. That is 1 remainder 3. 1 plus 1, 10, 11, 20, 21. 21 plus 3 this time around. 21 plus 1, 30, plus 1, 31, plus 1, 40. That's 0 remainder 4. So then 1 plus 1 is 10 in this case. 10, 11. Now 11 plus 4. And 4 is in 4 represents 1 in 4 places. Abi 11, 20, 21. Abi 11, 20, 21, 30, 31. That is 1 remainder 3. Now here in this case I have 1 plus 1, 10. Now 10 plus 3. 10 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. That's 10 plus 1 plus 10, 11, 20, 21. That is 1 remainder 2. Now what's 2 plus 1? That is 3. And this 3 here represents 1 plus 1 plus 1. That is 1 plus 1 is 10 plus 1, that's 11. 1, 1. So this gives the correct answer. So I think at Iomi got it correctly. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 ones, 0, and with the remaining 4 ones. So that's how to solve this um question. That is the first one I noticed. And the other question also, I'll make sure I solve it now.